Hello everyone, welcome to SSBR Educations. This is Srivalli. So today's session I'm going to explain about languages of chemistry and it is the basic topic in the chemistry. So everyone should learn this topic because it is a builder of chemistry. So coming to before starting our session, if you are the chemistry lovers, click on, please subscribe my channel and click on the like symbol. So without any late we will start our session. So it is an introduction part. For that purpose, what are the topics I will discuss in future classes, in future sessions, I will discuss now. So what are the topics means I'm going to write here. So first topic is symbols of elements based on various criterion. So I will give an idea about this. Everyone knows about elements. Everyone should learn all elements. So in this time, up to now, 118 elements was discovered, and last element, 118 element is organicium. So here elements are nothing but the discovery of a new thing. It also consider of different types. Symbols of elements means, for example, I will write first element hydrogen. So hydrogen is the first element in the whole periodic table. So it has the symbol H. Why we should write symbols? Because there is a reason for us. We know that the formula of water is NH2O. What is the formula of water means? Everyone says that H2O. So here O says that here O says that oxygen. O means oxygen, what we are breathing. Oxygen, O is means oxygen. So it is the formula of water. So we can't write two hydrogens, one oxygen with a full name. It makes it problematic. And in chemistry, the formula means shortcut form of a equation or anything. In formula means shortcut formation of a sentence or any in mathematics it has a lot. So for that purpose these elements was discovered, and these elements was discovered for formula writing in shortcut manner. So means element symbols discovered because of the formula writing. The main reason is formula. For formula writing, symbols was discovered. So, formula means what? Shortcut form of a sentence or elements, anything. So, elements was written in the type of symbols for writing a formula. So, it based on various criterion means different. The formula how created also there, like symbols based on letters to Latin name and scientist name and different types of names. Some countries names and planets names also there. So I will say this about this in future sessions. I'm giving an idea about this topic, and we will discuss this topic in future sessions. So now going to this is first topic we will discuss in the next session, and another topic is representation of autumn. So representation of autumn. So autumn is the name of Greek language. This name comes from Greek language. It is a Greek word, means undivisible. So why this autumn name came? Means it is made up elements are made up of atoms only. The combination of same types of atoms that is called as element. So this is the biggest topic in the chemistry. It plays a major role in the chemistry only. So this topic also I'm going to say in the future session, and this is the second topic we will discuss in the future session. And I'm not saying about this topic briefly. I'm giving an idea of all the topics what we will discuss in the future sessions. So after this representation of autumn, we will go to discuss about molecules of elements and compounds. Molecules of elements and compounds. I already said elements is made up of atoms, and how compounds, what are compounds and what are molecules? So combination of elements and compounds is called molecules. Combination of elements and compounds is called molecules. So how elements and compounds we will discuss later. So it is also molecules plays a major role in the chemistry, and these are the two important topics in the chemistry. Important. We should not forget these topics. And another topic we will discuss in the next sessions is atomic and molecular weight. Atomic weight and molecular weight. Atomic weight and molecular weight. Atomic weight means atomic weight means mass of the nucleus. Atomic weight means mass of the nucleus. So this topic is totally related to atoms. If you know the atoms topic means representation of atom, what is atom? If you know that means definitely you can understand atomic weight and molecular weight. So I will say these topics in the next future sessions. Definitely I will say this. And next topic is ions and its classification. And it is the charge of a charge of a atom. This topic is totally related to atom only, and it represents the charge of the atom or element. So next concept will be valency. Valency concept. I hope you're not understanding my writing. So please try to understand my writing. If you need, definitely I will improve my writing. So valency concept means the last shell of the atom. We will go to discuss about chemical formula. Chemical formula. So these are the topics we will discuss in the future sessions. Why I'm doing this on the video means I will start the topic only because why I'm doing what are the topics we will discuss in the later classes means I'm giving an idea. These topics we will discuss in the future sessions, and by doing the videos, you can understand oh this is the topic the madam is saying for us, so you can understand easily. I hope you understand my class, and these are the topics we will discuss in the future sessions. And I will do regularly videos on this and maths, physics, chemistry also. So please follow my channel regularly, and you can I can update myself. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you have any doubts in this class, on this class, or any in back classes, if you have interest in any other topics also, in any other subjects also, write in the comment box. Definitely I will give 99% reply for every comment. So thank you friends for watching my video. I'm going to conclude this session.